YouTube, welcome back. We are getting back on the highway. It's about 7:30 at night. It's gonna be a fun one. We're heading towards Red Rock. It's gonna be a park just west of Las Vegas, about 30 minutes. Get there. Hopefully we're gonna shoot some gorgeous nighttime photos of the Red Rocks with the city lights and the stars in the background. Alright YouTube, made it to Red Rock, but the front entrance was closed, so I guess we're going to plan B. We are now heading to the exit where there is a dirt patch to park at, and we'll be walking in. I'll see you when we get there. Alright, we made it to the park. We had to go with plan B. The main entrance was closed. Now we're parked at a little parking lot at the outside of the exit. Gonna make our way in via foot. Not really gonna walk too far. You see that there's sort of people on the mountains. You see their lights on the cliff sides. Absolutely gorgeous out here, even though you can barely see anything. I've already walked a little bit in. Really regretting not bringing my flashlight. My phone is not bright enough, but right now I'm in a pretty good, decent spot. Just looking for a nice Joshua tree. Get the background just right. Nothing too sophisticated. Don't need to venture too far because I gotta be careful of mountain lions and coyotes while I'm out here. Still regret not bringing my flashlight though. Barely see. Been walking about 10 minutes now. Still haven't found my spot, but I've definitely decided what type of image I'm looking for now. I'm gonna get a nice panorama. The rocks are just ginormous for my lens, so I'm going to have to take multiple images to get them all in one. But once I found the spot, right now I'm hiding behind a Joshua tree, hoping this vehicle approaching is not security, because I do not want to get kicked out or arrested. Hopefully they don't see me. And they passed right on by. Okay, cool. Alright, so I keep moving. Alright, I think I found my first spot. It's not looking good for Joshua trees out here, but the view is still stunning. I'm gonna set up really quick and then take a couple shots. And we'll be using my ultralight ones, my Tamron 15 to 30 millimeter. I'm gonna try to get a lot of the view into my image, a lot of the foreground, a lot of background, letting a lot of light for the stars. Just gonna have an aperture of 2.8. All right. Let's see. Slide it in that direction. Alright. Camera set up. Now let's get the settings going. Let's see. "15 seconds. It's pretty good at maintaining low star drag on this lens. Keep the aperture as low as possible. White balance. Gonna have to guess. I've done really good with fluorescent at night, but just gotta play around for a little bit till I get the right settings. Got my settings down, currently running at 20 seconds for my shutter speed, 2.8 for my aperture, ISO is set to 800, and my white balance is at fluorescent. Everything is manually focused, and let's see how everything's turned out. Alright, the pictures turned out pretty nice. About to pack up, head further into the park. Not gonna go too far, just want to see what's out there. Maybe get another couple of shots. If not, I'm just gonna head back. Tonight was a pretty good night. Don't want to risk getting eaten alive by a mountain lion. Alright, I've been here for about 45 minutes again. Currently hiding again from cars driving by. Don't know if it's security, don't want to get caught, don't want to get kicked out. I just want to get a couple pictures. I'm pretty much at where I want to be. Pretty close to the mountains, not too far into the park. Pretty much gonna stop here, get a couple more pictures, then head back. Super sweet, super clean, get it done. All my settings are where they need to be. Just gotta get everything set up and positioned. And I'll be right back after these cars pass. All right, now security, let's keep moving. All right, setting up for the last picture. May have the road in it, who knows? Not really too worried about it. Just want to see what it's gonna look like. If I don't like it, then I'm gonna just end up walking to the desert for a couple of feet and then retaking the pictures. All right, I've been here for over an hour now. Time to head back. Got a long walk. Can't even see the parking lot anymore. And the temperature has dropped like crazy. But got some good pictures. Time to head home. Making it back to the vehicle. It's been about an hour, 15 minutes. Not a very long trip. It's gonna be the end of the video. The photos we posted here shortly. Make sure you like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Trent_Ironside. And then I'll see you next time. Also, the temperature dropped like crazy. It's like 30 degrees outside right now. I'm thankful I brought this jacket.